Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. From the Settings menu, select Apps and Sales Channels. This will show you every third-party app currently connected to your store. Locate Zendrop in the list of installed applications. Click the small Remove button next to the Zendrop name, usually represented by a trash can icon or the word Remove. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the app. Read the warning carefully because this action is permanent and cannot be undone automatically. Before you confirm the removal, pause for a moment and understand exactly what happens next. Clicking Delete will immediately sever the connection between your store and your Zendrop account. Any products you imported from Zendrop will remain in your Shopify product list, but they will no longer sync inventory or pricing. Your existing customer orders that were already placed through Zendrop are safe, but you will need to fulfill any pending orders manually inside the Zendrop website directly, not through Shopify. Now you can confirm the deletion inside Shopify. Click the Remove button in the pop-up to finalize the disconnection. For complete security, you should also revoke Zendrop's access from within your Shopify partner permissions. Go back to your Shopify settings, click Users and Permissions, and scroll down to the Collaborators section. If you see Zendrop listed as a collaborator, delete it from there as well to fully lock the back door. Finally, log into your Zendrop account directly through their website. Navigate to the Settings or the Stores section and manually disconnect your Shopify store from their end if the automatic sync did not clear it. This is a critical step if you plan to use a different dropshipping app, because leftover connections can cause conflicts with new import tools. Refresh your Shopify admin and verify that Zendrop no longer appears under the Active Apps section. You have now successfully disconnected Zendrop from your Shopify store.